Hey there and welcome back to Brett's Garage. On today's episode, some stuff has arrived from Japan and we're going to install a thing. Okay, so it's not going to be a how-to. I don't really know how to do a how-to video. There we go. But this bad boy arrived from Japan. I'm not going to unbox because I was too excited. I'm like a child at Christmas and I unboxed it the very same day it arrived. However, this is what arrived. It's, as you can see from the box, an HKS Super Sequential Blow-Off Valve. I've always liked these things, so they're very cool and very correct as well. So 90s car, 90s technology. Look at it. It's a super sequential, so it makes the different noise to a standard blow-off valve. This here, it's just a bag full of associated parts, the hardware, the fittings, clips, cable ties, and that sort of jazz. Shouldn't take too long to get this in there. Let's have at it. And now we can test her out. See how it sounds. Okay, so while that was by no means a step-by-step installation guide for a HKS Super Sequential Blow-Off Valve, there it goes, it's in. I'm going to take it out on the road, which is a little bit illegal, as it's got no warrant of fitness. Maybe I didn't take it out on the road. Maybe not. I did get 2, 3, kind of 4, sort of, maybe 5. A couple of other things in the post from Japan anyway. I'm not going to install them myself. One of which is gauges and sensors and a controller unit for the gauge. It's a very cool gauge. Anyway, so while I received that, I could try and put it in there and install it and wire it up myself. I hate wiring, I really do. I suck at wiring, I'm no good at it. I blew many fuses at Polytech when I was there. I never blew a voltmeter, but I did blow lots of fuses. However, anyway, the other thing is the ECU, as I said. last week in the video. Okay, so she goes into the shop next week on Tuesday, so a couple of days from now. You'll probably see this on Wednesday. I don't know when you're going to watch. You're going to watch. Thank you, because you're here now. That's awesome. But anyway, it's, as I said, going in for the rebuild. I'm not entirely too sure how long that's going to take. So I will probably, as I've promised last week, show you the Forester. I said last week it was a Subaru. It's a Forester. There we go. Pretty stock. Doing something with the wheels maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. On next episode of Brett's Garage. Thanks for watching. Cheers all.